Hi guys, it's Vesna here and let's get started. So here are the supplies that I used for today's video. Again, I'm not going to show you how I put things on the tray one by one, but I will kind of show you my process a little bit. So what I do is I start off with kind of an idea of what things I'm going to use. I lay them out and then I just start putting them on. I always like to do bulkier things at the back, and then I always think about what are the views or angles of the tray, and then that way I have, from whichever side you look at, it looks nice. And then I just start putting it together. Like I said, it's basically kind of I put this here, put that there, and do I like the way that looks? So here I've put the tray together using some greenery in the back, a little bit bulkier and higher. I've put my pumpkins on, and I've added a little lantern. I've added some dry fall florals. And I also always add a little bit of height because the tray itself is kind of like a plate. So I always add things to the bottom of some of the items that I put in to make them a bit higher. Again, it's Vesna here and welcome to Vesna TV Home. On this channel, I do all things home decor. This is where you can see put together my tiered trays or any kind of trays, any of my home tours or decorating things and organizing things, and sometimes I'll even show you some of my renovations that we've done. So I've shown you a video of my fireplace around, and I will show a few more hopefully as we do them. So if that's the kind of stuff you like, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like and hit the notification bell. So that way, like my videos, and hit the notification bell. That way you'll know when I post new things. If you're more interested in the DIY part of home decor or in both, you can also subscribe to my DIY channel, which is just Vesna TV. Now, if you wanted, you could leave the tray this way, or you can add some Thanksgiving flair into the tray. So here I've put these Dollarama and Dollar Tree pumpkins, and they just have a little bit of, pumpkin harvest and wishes and kisses, give thanks. And then I have this thankful turkey that I thought I was going to add, but it just didn't fit anywhere the way that I wanted to, so I didn't add that. So here is what it looks like with the little trays in there, and I just wanted to show you in detail all the little items that I added. So I have all sorts of different colored pumpkins, and everything is from the Dollar Tree except for that little sign, which is from Dollarama, but I'm sure I've seen them at Dollar Tree as well. I've got the burlap pumpkins, white pumpkins, orange pumpkins. Then I have these little tiny ones, these little small ones that I took out of the pumpkin floral that they had at the Dollar Tree. And then I have those ceramic pumpkins, which a lot of people colored, like painted, but I like them the way they were. I put some acorns, and then I always like to have greenery in there as well. And here I'm just showing you the height that I was talking about to make things a little bit higher. I've got wheat there. I've got these little florals here and this lantern. And I made it very colorful because to me, fall is all sorts of colors. You've got your greens, your yellows, your oranges, your reds, your purples even. So your whites, everything, and I like to make it really colorful. I'm really happy with the way this tray turned out. And like I said, if you didn't want to have the Thanksgiving stuff in there, you could just simply take out those signs and you've got a beautiful fall tray, or you have a Thanksgiving tray. So today's video is a part of a challenge, well, not a challenge, sorry, a collaboration hosted by Carol from my Blessed Nest. Now, if you haven't checked out Carol's channel, it's a really cool channel. She is, I think, the thrift queen. She finds all sorts of amazing thrifted items and sometimes recreates them or sometimes just uses them in her decor. But either way, they're really cool and unique items, so check out her channel. The collaboration is together with a whole bunch of different creators, and you guessed it, we had to put together a tiered tray for Thanksgiving. So that's what my video is about. So make sure you check out Carol, and I'll have the link for the collaborators in my description box as well as Carol's link. So make sure you check out everybody and the playlist as well. It'll be really neat to see everyone's Thanksgiving decor. So here's the tray completed for Thanksgiving. Again, you could remove some of the pumpkins that are more Thanksgiving-like and make it just fall-like. But I think it's really beautiful and very nice and very colorful, which is what I always, like I said, look to do for fall. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing so you can see more. And check out the playlist, check out the collaborators, and check out Carol. It'll be a really fun collab. It's a really fun collab, and it'll be a really fun playlist, so make sure you check everything out. And thank you so much for stopping by. I will have a Christmas tiered tray soon, and my next video for the home channel will likely be at some point next week. I don't have a regular schedule for this channel. For my DIY, it's a little bit more regular, but um, make sure you stop by. If you hit that notification bell, you'll see when my next video pops up. Thanks. Have an excellent day and stay safe.